Hi folks, welcome to this week's video. I'm Howard Jones. This week I'm just uploading a few of my recent paintings. There's a bit of a selection. Some loose and some maybe not quite so loose. I haven't done a tutorial this week because I've been laid low with a bug type thing which I'm testing for COVID as I speak. And so I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you these recent paintings. I hope you enjoy this little show, and I'd love to hear your comments on the work, and back to normal next week. So be sure to tune in next week where I'll have another tutorial for you. In the meantime, hope you enjoy this little sort of mini exhibition, and see you soon.